8 bulletins released today, or 8 patches from Microsoft. Each of these were client-side security vulnerabilities, which means that it requires a user to perform an action on the machine in order to exploit the system. So those systems that don't have end users logging onto them are safe. So your data center servers are safe because people don't typically log on to those. It's your end user workstations and servers where people are physically logged in, where they're browsing the internet, opening documents, or reading email that are most vulnerable this month. So the Shavlik NetCheck product will scan your network and determine which machines need those patches that came out today from Microsoft, and identify which ones have them installed already, which ones are needing those patches. Then our Protect console will download all those patches from Microsoft and will push those patches out to each of the end nodes. So there's a central repository for the patch storage, so you only download each patch once, and then you push each patch out to each end system, install the patch, and then reboot the system per your reboot policy. You can have it automatically if you'd like it to. You can automatically protect your domain, your OUs, your IP ranges, specific machines. You can do different patches for different groups of machines if you'd like, and it all happens without agents. Some of our competitors in the patch management space are purely agent-based solutions. So you need to install software on every single computer so that that computer can perform the patch management tasks. On the Shavlik side, we offer you the ability to do agent or agent-less patch scanning and remediation. So you don't need to have installed any software on those machines. All you need to do is point to your domain, supply some credentials, and we'll take care of it for you. Microsoft has chosen to go with a purely agent-based approach using the Windows Update agent. And that requires that each machine individually download those patches from a server and install those. And you're given very limited control over when you want to install those patches and how you'd like to reboot those systems. I think virtualization is probably one of the hottest topics of this conference, and how to provide security for the virtual systems. So today we've announced support for patch management for your virtual systems, not only those that are up and running or online, but also those that are offline. So you might have a image repository of 300 offline images. We can scan and patch those for you without having to boot up each system individually. We're currently working with the VMware ESX server, with VMware Workstation, VMware Server, and Microsoft Virtual PC and Virtual Server. We will be adding support for patching Citrix images. That'll be coming down the road. Patching that we don't actually patch any Unix or Linux systems. Shavlik Technologies is a patch management and security configuration company. So we help companies determine what patches they're missing and get those patches deployed on their systems as easily as possible.